Do you need to light two people, but you only have two lights to do it? Well, today I'm going to teach you a sneaky way to make two lights do the same job as four. Hey guys, today you're going to learn about cross-key lighting, and by the end of this video, you'll understand how to replicate this setup for yourself. Cross-key lighting is like the walk of shame of the lighting world. You're not exactly going to go bragging about it to your friends. It doesn't really look that nice, but we've all done it. If you find yourself in one of those situations where you suddenly have to light two people and you only have two lights, maybe a light's gone down, maybe you're traveling light, then this setup will just get the job done. So what is cross-key lighting? Cross-key lighting is when you use your key light for one subject as your backlight for your second subject, and vice versa. This allows you to get the maximum mileage out of a limited number of fixtures. So this setup only works if you're in a situation where two people are sitting and facing each other directly, such as an interview style setup or some kind of general conversation. So what you do is you take your camera and you position it on one side of your subject. Then you take your two lights and you position it on the other side of that line. And you position your lights so that the angle of the beams is crossing each other, hence the name. You want to make sure that your light is simultaneously hitting the front of one subject and the back of the head of the other. Ideally, you'll want your two lights to match each other in output and intensity. I suggest diffusing your lights so you have that nice soft quality of key light and the backlight isn't too hard on the back of the head. To learn more about how to soften lights using diffusion, check out this video on hard versus soft lighting. This setup will result in a very high contrast, low key look with large shadows on one side of the face. To combat these deep shadows, what you can do is you can bounce some of that light back into your subject's faces using something like a polyboard, a reflector, or if you're really getting desperate, a large white bedsheet. This will help improve that lighting quite a bit. As I said earlier, this setup is a little bit dirty, but if you only have two lights, it gets the job done. If you'd like to learn about my preferred method of lighting each subject, check out this video right here on 3-point lighting. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it the thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if there's any lighting setups that you'd like us to explore in the future. Make sure to hit subscribe if you'd like to see more lighting tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.